Hello, my creation ghouls. Thank you for returning to this video. Today, I am going to be discussing free resources. Yes, free resources. Now, unfortunately, this video is just for laptop and PC users. I will be creating a second video for PlayStation and Xbox native streamers. I used to be a native streamer right from Xbox and didn't have any bells and whistles, but we'll go over that in another video. Today, I'm going to give you all resources that I have personally used in my entire career as a content creator. And you don't have to spend tons of money to have lots of nice things. But I will tell you this, any money that you do put out for your stream is an investment into you and your community. It really is. Even that $9, $10 sub to XSplit or whatever it may be, it is an investment to you and your community. Your stream, if you are trying to go for partner or make this a career and make money from this, it's an investment. So the more things you do to enhance your content, the better it is going to be for you. But that doesn't mean you have to rush out right now and get the latest and greatest and everything. No. What it does mean is you want to keep in the back of your mind where you want to go as a content creator and then decide from there what's most important to put money in. Again, everything is an investment. Even your time sitting here watching this video is an investment in you, your stream, your community, and the content that you create. So I'm going to get into a couple of things that I've used. I just do want to reiterate, I am not affiliated, partnered, or sponsored with anything that I'm going to speak with you today about. So you don't have to worry about me pushing any product on you. I'm in no way affiliated. I will give you my opinion on the matter, and I have many friends that use majority of these items. So the first thing I'm going to get started with is your broadcasting software. This is what you would put your overlays in, your webcam in. You would have scenes and sources, so you can switch through a just chatting scene like this, and then an Xbox or PlayStation scene or PC stream, whatever it may be. Now there are 3 that you can use. 2 of them are completely free. One is free with some add-ons, and then the other one does have add-ons, is free, but limited. And then you can pay for a subscription. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is heavily used actually in the community is OBS. OBS is a broadcast software. It gives you full control over the content that you're creating. You can record, you can adjust volumes, you can add scenes and sources and all the fun stuff that you want to use. It is free. Again, links will be down below. The next broadcasting software would be Streamlabs OBS, and you might have heard it be called SLOBS. Streamlabs OBS for short. Now, Streamlabs OBS is free, but you can also pay a premium price to obtain other features within that broadcasting software. I do know a few people that use it, and they love it. Then the third software that I have personal use with, and I truly friggin' love, and is definitely worth the investment, is called XSplit. Now, XSplit is a very polished all-around system, and it's the same thing as OBS and SLOBS, and they do have a free version of it, but you are limited to 1280 by 720 and a couple of scenes and sources and stuff, but it's definitely worth to take a look at it. And then if you do enjoy it, then there is a subscription basis or a lifetime subscription to XSplit. In my personal opinion, again, my opinion, I prefer XSplit over the other 2. I have used OBS, I have used SLOBS. I had nothing but issues, but I am the queen of technical difficulties. But I had nothing but issues with OBS and SLOBS. I have been with XSplit for 3.5 years, and their support is friggin' phenomenal. The main reason I pay for this is because of the support that they give me. Again, I know I'm pretty biased, but again, these are 3 programs that you can use right off the bat. And many people utilize all 3 of these. You can ask around the streaming community. A lot of people will tell you they use OBS. Half of them will say SLOBS. The other half will say XSplit. But these are 3 software programs that you can use that I have used personally. They both work. All of them work really well. And then each of them have a little something different to offer you. So check them out. Also, don't be afraid to try more than one. I understand it's a little bit of a pain in the ass and a lot of work to set up all these scenes and all these screens and everything. But if you're not enjoying the one, it doesn't hurt to try another. It really doesn't. So take your time with that. Now, I want to get into some overlays. I know many of us are like, I need an overlay, and drop hundreds of dollars on overlays and fancy things for our webcam and alerts and all this jazz. If you're just starting out and you haven't been streaming for quite some time, I wouldn't recommend doing that yet. And there's a reason why I wouldn't recommend doing that yet. And that's because as of right now, if you are just starting out, you really don't know who you are as a content creator. And I will tell you, you evolve, your taste changes. As you grow and as you maneuver through this crazy quest of content creation, you will find your taste change. I have 4 years, and I tell you, my overlays have changed and my panels have changed. I can't even tell you how many times. I really can't. So start off with some free stuff. Even if you've been streaming for 6, 7 months or to a year, it doesn't hurt to start off with free stuff. You do eventually, again, want to make an investment into you, your community, and your content. You're going to want to upgrade that. Now, there are a few sites that have overlay stuff for you, free ones. Player.gg, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, and I believe Nerd or Die has some overlay stuff for you as well. TwitchOverlay.com, and I'm just looking at my notes here that I have. Nerd or Die, I don't know if I said that one already, but Nerd or Die, again, all links will be down below. These have free overlays. Now, some of them that I have spoke about, like I said, for a premium subscription price, you can get overlays. Streamlabs and I believe Stream Elements both have premium subs. I definitely know Streamlabs does. Some of them are very nice and they're free. And it gets you started. And remember, you don't need all the gorgeous bells and whistles. If you can afford it, don't get me wrong. If you can afford it, sure, drop it if you want. But start off with your basics. See what you like. I like a sleek, clean look to my stream. I don't like all the pops and everything all over my screen. I don't care for that. So I would go for something nice and sleek. Test the water. See what you like. Utilize. Go with your brand colors. There's so much resource out there. This is just a couple that I have had experience with. Now, for alerts, there are numerous sites that you can go for alerts. One that I actually really enjoy is Pixel Chat. Now, Pixel Chat was created for Mixer and Beam at the time. And then when that platform shut down, Pixel went over to Twitch and started building for Twitch. Now Pixel does more than just Twitch. Definitely check it out. It has overlay stuff, giveaways. It's got closed captioning. It has a ton of resources. Some of them are free. Some of them cost a subscription. But again, it's an investment in your stream. You can utilize all of the free stuff without a problem. Now, Streamlabs is another one. Again, you can set up your alerts with them. You can add custom sounds, videos, and images. Same thing with Stream Elements. These guys are basically all the same. You just upload a sound, upload an image, tweak it to the way you want, where you want it to pop out, and you're done. I want to talk to you guys about mixers, virtual mixers. Nobody has a lot of money to go dish out to drop on a $600-700 Go XLR like I have. Thank you, the Horde, for helping me obtain that mofo. But when I started out on a PC, I needed a virtual mixer to separate my system sound, separate my game, my Xbox, my PC from my music and from my system sound, so I can have control over each fader. Now, Voicemeeter Banana. I have experience with it. I have used it, and this is why I'm going to pass it on to you. Voicemeeter Banana is free. You can donate to them, and they give you more virtual cables as well. It is very easy to use. It is a download. It's an easy setup process. They have tutorials on their website. They have tutorials on their YouTube channel. So you're able to set it up easy breezy. It wasn't too hard. I am technically challenged and I was able to do it. I also had to get some help here and there, and they have a really good support team. So that is something you may want to look into if you want to separate your system sounds from your game sounds, so forth and so on. They also have what's called Voicemeeter Potato, which is a longer, huger version of Voicemeeter Banana. Also, Voice Mod, which is a fun little add-on to do some voice changing stuff. works with Voice Meter Banana. Now, when I say voice mod,
I mean things like this that make your voice change.
and I use my Go XLR. My Go XLR has a built-in voice changer. With voice mod, it's free. It's free. You do get a couple of voices and limited limitations, unfortunately. And then I think the lifetime subscription or license for it is $20. Yeah, $20 US for a lifetime subscription. To me, that's pretty cheap. And again, it is an investment, but you don't have to purchase. You can utilize the already free voices that are on there. Many content creators utilize this over on Twitch and YouTube. So definitely check it out. There is also Capamon, which is this tiny little character that would sit in your stream, and you can have it do commands and have it do things. So for instance, on my stream, if you ever see my stream, I have this cute little zombie. Her name is the Zom. And if you type in the word exclamation point gift, a gift falls from the sky, opens up, a brain pops out, and she eats it. If you do exclamation point dance, she dances for you. She also welcomes people in the stream. So if you come into the stream, she'll say hi to you. If you sub, she'll say something, and you can program it. Those are free. Again, you can pay for the little bells and whistles that they have. They have a whole bunch of other characters, and you can pay for them if you want. I want to also tell you that Nerd or Die has a lot of social media things for your broadcast system. You can get this nice little social media pop-up that happens on your screen if you've ever seen them around town. One thing I do want to tell you guys with sounds and alerts and imagery, make sure everything is what you own or you have written permission to utilize. Now, a lot of people think, oh, it's under 30 seconds, I can use it in my stream. No. You can still get a DMCA strike and get in trouble for utilizing a sound that you do not own or have the rights to use. There are numerous sites that you can go around. Type into Google copyright free sounds, or get yourself voice mod and create your own sounds. I have a sound in my stream when someone follows me. It says, I see you. I heard that online. I didn't use it. I created my own. So it's my voice. I own it. No copyright. There are also places that you can buy subscriptions to, like Envato Elements, and they have all sorts of goodies, images and sounds and graphics, all sorts of stuff to it. I pay a monthly subscription for that because it's an investment in what I'm doing, and it helps me tremendously when I'm creating sounds or music for my videos. You do get licensing, but I think I'm going to cut that off right here. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed what you heard, please slash that subscribe button, stab that like button. Let me know down below in the comments. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Ask me. I have no problem helping out in any way, shape, or form. As well as if there is something that you want to understand or know, drop it down below in my comments. I'd be more than happy to make a video for you, a quick short video if you need to, explaining different things. In my next video that I will be dropping, we'll be discussing Xbox and PlayStation streamers if you're streaming natively from Xbox. Until then, my ghouls, I am Reanimate Her. I am the Queen of Scream. Stay creepy, my loves, and I will slash you later. Bye-bye.